How do you pronounce these words designating anything relating to a fox or foxes? Vulpine. Both British and American pronunciations are similar here. It's not Vulpine. Pine. Stress on the first syllable. How do you pronounce these words designating anything relating to a fox or foxes? Vulpine. Both British and American pronunciations are similar here. It's not Vulpine. Pine. Stress on the first syllable. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.